Hello students, welcome to your science lesson. Today we are going to look at Unit 8, Acids, Bases and Salts. Today's lesson will focus on acids. Learning outcomes. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to identify acids as compounds, identify some acids present in the school laboratory, identify acids present in some food items, recognize that some acids are corrosive. Recognize that acids naturally present in food items are not corrosive. To start with, let us recall what are compounds. Yes, you are right. Compounds are substances which are made up of two or more elements chemically combined together. In today's lesson, you are going to learn about a group of compounds called acids. Well, students, have you ever come across the term acid in your everyday life? What have you heard about acids? Maybe you have heard about terms like corrosive or harmful when people refer to acids. Acids are compounds which are used in laboratories. You will also learn that acids are also present in some food items. Acids in the laboratories. There are several acids present in your chemistry laboratory. Let us go through activity 8.1, identifying acids in your chemistry laboratory. Refer to your book on pages 242 and 243. An example of a reagent bottle containing acid is shown below. Observe carefully the figure and try to complete the information sheet given in your book. The name of the acid is nitric acid. The acid is colorless. The physical state of the acid, it is a liquid. The type of container in which the acid is. You can say it is a glass container or a glass bottle. Observe carefully the bottle of nitric acid. You will notice two signs on the bottle of nitric acid. The two signs on the nitric acid bottle are referred to as hazard signs. Can you suggest what each of the signs indicate? In fact, this sign indicates that the acid is an irritant. The second sign indicates that the acid is corrosive. So, from this we can deduce that the nitric acid is an irritant and it is corrosive. Now that you know that acids in the laboratory can be irritant and corrosive, can you suggest one safety precaution when handling an acid in the laboratory? In fact, one safety precaution when handling an acid in the laboratory is that gloves, lab coat, and goggles must be worn for protection. Another safety precaution when handling an acid in the laboratory is that a pipette dropper must be used to prevent spillage. On the screen, you can see a pipette dropper, a lab coat, and goggles. The goggles protect the eyes when handling an acid. Figure 1b represents reagent bottles containing acids. Observe these bottles carefully and answer the questions that follow in your book. Firstly, write down the names of the three acids. Then, write down three properties which you find common for these three acids. Yes, the three acids shown are hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. Three properties which are common for these three acids are: they are colorless solutions, they are irritants, they are corrosive. You can see that both hazard signs are present on all three bottles. This shows that the three acids are irritants and are corrosive. These acids should be handled carefully in the laboratory. Based on what you have learned, can you suggest why? Yes, you are right, because they are corrosive and they are irritants. Now, students, let us learn about acids present in food. Acids are found not only in the chemistry laboratories, but they are also present naturally in some food items. In fact, have you ever wondered why citrus fruits such as lemons and oranges are sour in taste? In fact, the sour taste is due to acids present in citrus fruits. Lemons contain citric acid. Oranges contain ascorbic acid. Did you know that the word acid is derived from the Latin word acidus or acere, that means sour? Let us now try to identify some acids present in food items. You have activity 8.2, identifying acids present in food items, in your book, pages 244 and 245. Observe figure 2 and read the text given for each food item. Identify the acid present in each food item and complete Table 1 in your book on page 245. Let us check your answers for Table 1. Firstly, the acid present in apples is malic acid. Tannic acid is present in tea. Ethanoic acid is present in vinegar. Soft drinks contain carbonic acid. Olive oil contains oleic acid. Lactic acid is present in milk. What can you conclude from this activity? So, from this activity, we can conclude that some food items such as citrus fruits, tea, vinegar, olive oil, milk, and soft drinks contain acids. We may also say that acids are naturally present in some food items. Well, we have now reached the end of today's lesson. Let us summarize what we have learned in today's lesson. We have seen that acids are compounds. Acids are present in the laboratories. 3 acids present in the school laboratory are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. Some acids are corrosive and irritants. Therefore, safety precautions must be taken while handling them. When handling acids, gloves, lab coat, and goggles must be worn for protection. Acids are also present in some food such as citrus fruits, tea, milk, olive oil, apples, vinegar, and soft drinks. Acids in food are responsible for their sour taste. Acids naturally present in food are not corrosive. Thank you, students, for your attention. See you for the next science lesson. Until then, goodbye.